stop. We're doing a video.
No, don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Don't kill the big flood, kill Headless and store it. Just run away from here.
No, let Headless go in front then.
I've got black screen of death. How do you... Oh, that's the spring. I was going to say, how the fuck do you spring in this game? I haven't played it in so long.
We have the retarded agreed.
Oh no.
Yes.
Headless, I seriously need to...
No, everyone else is off black screen. It's just you.
Wait, Headless?
What?
What level are you?
I don't know.
You've got the recruit armor.
I'm able to change my armor. I just no.
Who died?
Just left.
I was stuck in black screen.
Yeah, but Tesco's Wi-Fi. Why are you guys following me? I'm bound to get you killed.
Who's the flood?
I'm going back.
Oh,
I don't
Judge
care
is going to
if
be the
I
flood.
Back to the bloody second.
I wish I recorded your reaction,
He's
many.
close by because my controller shock when he uses Prometheus vision.
Same.
Wait, how do you turn vibration?
I've just punched that body in.
No, I can't turn
Oh shit, there's two.
We're back here in the video.
We need to regroup that other with Toadstar. Oh no, we are.
Oh, we can see Toadstar.
Well, that was a fucking girly scream, wasn't it? Right, let's stay together. Let's just fucking peg it and shoot the mini flood. Remember, look at the ground.
Okay, then if you're the flood, then jump.
This round is caught. Don't go forward. Don't go forward.
Oh, you sure
Don't come back.
we're actually above you.
He's around that corner.
Hey, guys, can you send me another invite, please?
I can't.
Shut up.
Okay.
Fucking leave me.
Okay, let's get down here. He's close by.
It's close by.
Oh, okay. That is. What the fuck?
This is like, what the fuck is that?
What?
This is like that. What?
I'm down here. I
I
just.
think Headless might be cute.
Tiny?
Yeah, Headless, where are you? You outside the map?
Yep.
Headless, stop right there. Stop there. Stop. Headless, stop.
Wait, I can't kick this guy.
Can't kick who?
Hey, look at the game. Look how many floods we have, and then look at the survivors.
There is no one on my leaderboard who's human. Raw flood.
Who the fuck's the
That
flood?
means I am the survivor.
You're flood on our
The reason
screen.
It doesn't
Hey, look at them exploring, gangbang.
It
I'll
doesn't
spawn outside
actually
the
count
map
me
again.
as one.
Why me?
Headless, look how small we are.
Look, I'm the survivor. Just it won't
I
count.
can't kill you. What's
Guys,
this bull
can you
crap?
get the fuck off the spawners so me and Headless can spawn down? Thank you.
Tree, I'm gonna have to do this.
Oh shit! I made it! I made it! I was inside Headless! I can't believe I actually made that.
Black screen of death.
Oh, don't worry, I'm in black screen as well. Headless is the alpha flood, he's gonna be shit.
I'm not respawning.
Guys, spawn it.
It's taking a long time to get in.
What is this?
Yes, that's what she said. Not wanking! Jesus! Open the curtains. Shut the fuck off. Dude, put me as the host, I'll put Labyrinth on. Oh, I know this.
Wait.
Minotaurs.
Labyrinth?
Minotaurs.
Yeah, basically the flood gets to drive a mantis and you have to stamp
Oh, I
on
love
it,
that
stamp on
map.
Rockets, otherwise, if you shoot the rockets, that's an instant boot.
I seriously love that.
You're not allowed to hijack the mantis as
Fucking-
well, if you do, you get booted.
Oh, Jesus.
Wait, you can
Yeah,
escape
the
them.
rest
Oh
of
no,
it
you
is
can't. Who the hell's punching me?
How much cheating is in this?
Around the corner. No. Down here.
Fuck me, daddy. does not follow me. Thank you.
Stop! Stop! You
Don't get me.
mincy bastard.
Christine, I'm sticking with you. Okay, that's good.
I like when I say don't follow me and I'm following you, like.
Committed suicide.
Sorry, they just walked off the map.
Well done, you're the
I
retard of
look
the
quack
group.
bar.
Behind you.
Wait, you thank you, you saved me.
Yes. Yeah, you!
That's good work.
Oh, I'm off the map.
Hey, I
Now
should
gonna
turn around.
murder everything else for me.
No.
Wait, do you black screen?
No.
Yeah. Another map.
Don't pick up.
And so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get back on the map. And I'm out the map because I jumped in.
I accidentally jumped out the map.
Oh my god.
But there's a way out.
Hold on.
I know.
Oh.
Crap.
Bye, bitch.
Someone tell me when the entry is back in. It's
You have to commit suicide.
So, there is an actual entrance back in the map.
Yeah, but you can't really get in it from that end.
I just got back, you shit bastard. I finally get into this game and I immediately get killed by some retard.
Your last man. Oh,
That's
no,
how,
that's
that's how life works. You join a game late, you're gonna die first.
I didn't. I've been in this game
Join
for
my
ages.
son
They locked out and I had to rejoin.